In the dark night of the immortal sky, a figure rises, beginning to shine. Its wings of fire light up the sea, an angel that dances and makes us dream. With sparks that fly and celestial light, it covers the silence with a stellar sight. The wind follows closely, its trail is a song. The angel guides us with its explosion. Firework angel, painting the skies, filling the night with real colored lights. You are the magic, the fire we feel, the light that awakens the morning so real. Every spark tells a story so brief, of laughter and dreams left in the breeze. The angel takes us to a world with no end, where time stands still and gardens extend. The night is breathing its fleeting art. The angel looks down and glows from the heart. With every flash, a wish flies away as the world sighs in its silence.